This is a spectacular show with 5 Motoman robot EH80 with Nx100 controller and 2000 of extension and 80 payload. This simulation can be managed by only one controller and by only one touch panda. In fact, the Yaskawa controller is able to manage 7 robotic arms simultaneously. For all information, you can call me, chat with me directly on our website, and contact me by Skype if you want. Thank you for your attention, and if you love my video, give me your like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any deal for the future.